What are the techniques that make phlebotomy efficient? Most of the time you have a fever. What follows a visit to the doctor is a list of blood tests. For an accurate diagnosis, it is important to ensure that the blood collection is conducted without any infection in a sterile environment. The stepwise techniques of phlebotomy make sure every sample is free of contamination. In this video, we talk about the techniques for phlebotomy and the way they are efficiently carried out. Phlebotomy, let us acquaint ourselves with it. The techniques for phlebotomy involve surgical opening or single puncture in a blood vessel using a needle. This procedure is done to withdraw blood usually from your arm. It is an important tool for diagnosing many medical conditions. The professional who performs this procedure is a phlebotomist. How to become a phlebotomist? After passing class 12 from a recognized university, you can enroll in a diploma or certificate course at Virohan. Our programs are certified by NSDC. With demand-driven quality training in a good institute, you can become proficient in phlebotomy procedures. A phlebotomist along with the right kind of training together make a positive impact on numerous lives. They help a physician approach a proper diagnosis, chalk out a treatment plan and also bypass any complications. A career in this field can be a rewarding one. It is recession-proof, giving you a sense of fulfillment with a contribution to the society and remunerative too. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.